galing talaga. Nag-open siya. I'm done. Seat sale. Because it's pink and
Upset, I need to deal.
close the door when you leave John Lloyd kasi ako.
Ano po ko ng bagyo? Oy, step ko ba nila po?
Bahalan na siya, Jay. Pag minamalas ka nga naman. Good morning, guys. Today is July 4 and we're going to EXO Horizon, guys. Last lang punta ko ng concert nila ay EXO-SC pa. And high school pa ako nung group. 1 year na akong nag-work. Oh my gosh. Like talagang, I feel like yung EXO yung youth ko. Like, since grade 6, EXO-L na talaga ako. Lahat ng concert nila dito as a group. Present ako day 1 and day 2. And now na nagtatrabaho ako, back regular lang kinuha ko kasi file lang sila. So, get ready with me, guys. Fit check tayo, guys. Kita pa. Naghanap lang ako ng pwede kong masuot na pasok sa team for day 1. Kasi ang team ay black and chain, leather chains, basta parang ganun. So, itong chain na to, this is from my bag. Kinuha ko lang, sinabit ko dito sa jorts ko. And then, cardigan galing sa lola ko. Crop top from my college days and my Onitsuka. Today, guys, silver girl ako. Ayan, buti na lang meron akong silver accessories kasi gold talaga ako, gold girly. Necklace, ring. So, maluwag tong silver ring ko. So, pinatungan ko lang sa kasama. Chain bracelet is from Korea, from my tita before. Ngayon ko lang siya susuotin. And then, other bracelets. Oh, wait, my bag. Ito lang yung malaking bag ko na kasha. Yung black kong bag. Di kasha yung like stick ko and everything. So, ayan. It will look like this. Feel ko lalamigin ako later as alamigin. So, I'm not sure paano to later. Tapos, nilagyan ko nung pin ko from before, yung anik-anik ko. Kasi wala ako nung mga lagayan nung yung lagayan ng mga photo card na isinasabit. So, next time, bibili na ako. At habang walang concert, yung beep card ang lalagay ko kahit hindi ako nanonood ko yun. Ito na yung concert, concert party.
Hi!
Tingnan mo, mayroon kami ng jewels. Ano ba yan? Stars.
Tagal na nun.
Tagal na nung last namin. 3 years ago.
No, yung EXO-SC
Oh,
group.
hindi ko naman ano.
6 years ago! 2019 yung EXO-SC.
Senior high ata kami. Senior
High school pa. Yeah.
High school. Sinabi ko yun. High school pa kami ngayon. 1 year na ako nagtatrabaho.
Working.
Nurse na siya. Ako ay digital marketing specialist. Ay, talagang binuo.
Pero, mas marami kaming pambilang ticket natin mga student.
Oo,
So,
ngayon
next
hanggang ano na
ngayon
lang.
hanggang
5K na lang kami.
Pinakamurang tier lang.
Umaabot kami ng 13K, ganyan. Kasi 2 days a-attendan namin. Tapos ngayon wala talaga, guys. Priorities are changing.
Anong terminal to ng LRT?
Maswerte ko kayo. Di ba yung
Meron na kami pambili ng drinks kasi before, di kami umiinom ng kahit ano dahil 1,000 lang ang budget namin. Tuwing nagko-concert kami.
tuwing concert yung budget namin nasa ticket na. So, pag nandun na kami sa venue,
Grabe, girl.
freebies na lang tapos tubig na 25 pesos.
lubog siya sa venue at ipapa.
I've been waiting for this moment for a long time, and finally, Astor's here!
Guys, oh my gosh. Para akong nabalik sa youth ko after the concert. I'm using my phone lang to vlog. Tapos na ang concert, guys! Gusto namin na matandang dito. Grabe, nawalan ng battery yung light stick ko.
Ako,
Pero
sabi ko
mga
sa'yo,
patapos na. Siya naman nawalan ng
nawalan ng
storage.
Tapos yung sa song na Growl, doon ako nawalan. Pero well, all is well kasi dinilit ko. Di ko na alam kung ano mga dinilit kong apps.
Wala kaming maayos sa picture na dalawa kasi either overexposed or hindi nakafocus. Guys, ganda-ganda picture ko sa inyo eh. Anyway, we enjoyed.
Mama, bawal.
It's the morning after. And I'll show you the freebies I got. Some of these I'll use for my journal. Nag-junk journal ako, guys. Yan. So, super galing talaga. Super amazed ako sa mga gumagawa ng freebies. Kasi grabe yung effort that they put in. This is my favorite, OT9 stickers. And may alcohol, bracelets, stickers, receipts for my junk journal, yarns. I'd stick ko the banner. And then yung chain na ginamit ko sa damit. And then yung flower from yung orange. Here. Okay, meron lang kaming, again, family lunch every Sunday. May hot shrimp salad pa ata.
Salad pa naman.
Pwede na sila sa ano yun, signature ba?
Sa labas na din. Mine. Sa home, nagpa-cleaning lang ako ng hands and feet and nagpa-foot massage. And now, inayos ko yung mga freebies and yung mga photo card. Dalawa lang naman yun. So, I have eto. Freebie ko lang din to, diba? So, nilagay ko dito yung si Beck yun. And then, kasi yun. Kasya ba to? Let's see. Kasi gusto ko mag-buy nung mga ganito. Pero, tsaka na guys. Also guys, nandito lahat ng freebies ko from all mga concert. Yung iba, pinang junk journal ko na siya. I mean, whatever. Basta pinang junk journal ko na siya. Ayan. Pero yung mga magaganda, I left it here. BTS sticker. So, nilabel ko lang siya. Pero yung mga banner nasa kabilang cabinet. Then, my junk journal, stickers, letters from my boyfriend. Ito yung sticker ko. Old journals. Ay, sticker. Ito yung mga tickets ko. Wala na, na-fade na. Happy Monday, guys. Happy nga pa. Anyway, today, it will just be work and Magja-junk journal siguro ako later. And then, kapag may free time. And then mag-gym.
John Diana? Yes, but let me explain it to you. I can't believe this. You, whatever.
It's almost lunchtime. So, I've been working lang kaninang morning while watching Gossip Girl. And now, I'm planning to junk journals. Pero I'll show you muna yung junk journal ko. This is her. Very on brand. Dahil this one, extra journal lang siya from my lola. National Security Council. Lol. Nalagyan ko lang siya ng ribbon kasi nag-open na siya. Hindi mo siya magagana. Ang last, ano pa tawag dito? Spread. I from my Taiwan trip. So, if you haven't watched, sign mo na yun. Charot. Yung first page, ito random lang. And then, second page. And then, third. So, ay, hindi, meron pa pala. So, 4 pages pala yun. Yung 4th page. I'm not sure if I have enough to fill it. Pero let's see. This is what I have. So, tingnan natin kung magagawin ko siya ng paraan. Because for me, junk journaling, like, hindi ka talaga siya plan. Dikit-dikit lang talaga ako. For the memes lang talaga. I'm done. See? Very, ay, natanggal. Ay, hindi pala. Ay, ito pala siya. Hinahanap ko, but, ayan, it's just like that.
Hey! I love and tour New York. And it's a banger. It's a how my brain works. Just a little heads up on the plans, you know.
Nakapagpalit na ako. I'm going to the gym. Here's the gym fit. Boom. Di ko nadadalhin tong camera kasi gusto ko matapos agad. So, after this clip, baka gabi na. I'm back. Naka-skincare na ako because I'm breaking out dahil malapit na magkaroon. Now, I am gonna laser my underarms and legs. So, I use yung itong from Beauty Skin Naturals. Not sponsored. Sana nga sponsored. Good morning guys. Nakapag-breakfast na ako and it's time to work. Later, magpipickle-ball ako. Nagpapack ako ng things for our team building kasi team building namin on Friday hanggang Saturday. Dahil seat sale, ito kami ngayon. Pero parang di sale. Pero kasi mahal talaga. Let's see. 9K round trip Hong Kong. Pwede na update. Hindi ko kasi namin alam if expensive yung 9,000 for Hong Kong round trip. So hindi na namin ibubook kasi parang feel namin acceptable. Feel kasi we got theirs for like 6-7K lang. Di ba 4K? Pero kasi we want naman namin. Kaya kami ibubook ng mga months hanggang February. So I think na ibubook. Kasi mahal pa. Let's see. I'm gonna eat. This is a donut from Big Bite Yummy while watching Wonderfuls. The Wonderfuls for lunch. And then after this, magpapack na ako. Dalton. So, pang 5th time ko na ata mag-lab. Tapos ngayon pa lang kami nanalo na magkasama kaming dalawa ni Court. Kami nag-play. Yung paddle namin galing lang Shopee. Less than 1,000, may balls na tsaka may paddle na. Good morning. It's Wednesday and ano ba tawag dito? Face roller lang ako. And nakapag-breakfast na. Now, I'm gonna do my skincare, body care, and then work. What's new?
Your mom was accomplished.
I bought linen pants from TikTok shop. And super rare kasi na makahanap ako ng hindi bitin if I buy from Shopee or TikTok. So, I really like this. And it's pink. Yan. Pink linen pants. And see? It's not bitin. Super breathable nung tela niya. And I got this for like 300 something nung nag-sale. So, ayan. It's really nice. I love it because it's pink and I think I'm gonna use this for my Vietnam trip. Nagpalit ako kasi shinoot ko rin siya on TikTok because I really like it. Dumating na yung phone cases namin ni Mama. Because guys, kawawa naman na yung phone case ko. Yellow na siya, hindi na siya pink. Ganyan naman the difference. I'll be transferring some stickers and changing some mamayang gabi. But right now, I'm gonna hair mask again.
여쭤봐도 되는 거지? 뜨다가 많이 말을 해서 이게 뭐야 이거 너무 좋은데? In Filipino culture, so I accepted it. Yeah, I did. So I still feel bad. So like more.
Magbabasa ako.
Tapos tumugtog yung mama. Kasi dalawa yung isa eh.
Last full work day of the week. So let's get to work.
Father wartime before me. Now my mother's down command.
I haven't yet.
What do you want to make dinner?
Makailan na lang. I'm home. I have showered and now I'm gonna do a face mask and then magla-laser ako ng underarms and legs. So I do it twice a week. Ito kapag naaalala ko lang.
I'm sad. I need to deal with it.
Well, yeah.
Did hear it.
Well, you better hurry up and get back from
All of our contacts.
this is Manhattan. There's a girl in the corner. I highly doubt that.
Nasa photon kami guys. At wala sa bus. Para kami kinawawan dyan. Dito kayo. Salamat. Close the door when you leave John Lloyd kasi putik.
Pagod na teacher.
Ang sabi.
sinabihan daw siya ni Uno ng hotdog.
Mag-explore kami. Eto nga.
Kaya pala may ano,
Kaya ko to kung mali.
And hosting today's event. Natin kung we're
actually sa amin ano.
in the next one. So eto,
Ready na ako, guys.
Settle down na tayo, guys. Nandito na yung facilitators natin.
Ang laki ng di.
Go, guys!
Dapat nasa gilid yung bola.
20 seconds!
Free time. Uy. Nasaan na sila, Ron? Hi! Vlog. Yung view. Malinis ba?
Wala.
Aray.
Dito na lang, doon tayo maligo sa mainit na pool.
Okay
Dito tayo
naman.
magsabon.
This is the view outside. May pool. Meron silang cafe dito. Yes, I got coffee. Sardiner. Favorite ko pa naman yun. Buttered garlic shrimp. Tapos biglang nag-allergy ako ng pangluto. Good morning, guys. It's time for breakfast. Ay! Ang galing. Stable naman to, no? Sa labas ata tayo talaga. Dalawa. Upo ka na kagad. Natataob na. Ayan na! Perfect! Perfect! Yay! Game na ron. Oh, sige. Ay! Ayan! Uy, Ron! Tabingi! Princess Shabi!
Salubungan ng bagyo. Steph! To the... Oy, Steph! Kumagalabog!
Galaw!
Steph, galingan mo naman! Ay! Miss na, ginagalaw oh! Bilis ko na. Kukupit na ako.
Ano dito, kuya, naka-yellow. Tawagin nyo nga. Ay, wait lang.
Ayun o, may kuya naman eh.
Tumalon ata.
Guys, nag-champion kami. Now, we're going home.
Konti po.
Muntikan ko na siyang sukuan. Sobrang bad trip ko dahil lagi siyang nahuhulog dahil photos. Initially, I wanted to just put yung mga parang postcard. Pero kasi isa pa lang naman. Nilagay ko yung pictures. Ngayon, hindi na siya pantay kasi bahala na siya dyan. Yan. Oh. Diba? Like, kasi may uwang. It's acrylic and not glass. Lesson learned. Yan siya dyan. Like, so may room. Looks like this. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Na-stress talaga ako. Kasi PMSing na din ako. So, mag-ML ako. Sana hindi lalong ma-stress. Pag minamalas ka nga naman, talaga, the world, the universe is testing me because drained ang iPad ko. So, I guess, nanood na lang ako ng vlogs. And I think deserve ko mag-Dubai Chewy again. Kahit busog pa ako. Wala yung favorite ko, Jammy Bunny from TikTok Shop. Super perfect siya siya yung perfect na DCC for me. Kasi very creamy yung loob niya. And chewy yung marshmallow. Like,